Hello everyone, I'm Oath Thai in the United States. I just got a package order from eBay. I purchased Stoneware Dinnerware, that's the word. I have question. We eat 3 meals, not just dinner. Why the name call only dinnerware? It's okay, just my thought. We have not many dishes, just 2 of us. They are enough, but some of them break and crack. And then I thought about next year we might get a dishwasher. Since I live here, the dishwasher was broken. I told my husband don't need to get new one because I can wash the dishes every time I cook. Every time finish eating, I never leave the dirty dishes in the sink. I always wash them. And then the time passed. I live here about 17 years. My hands getting hurt in hot water, and I would like to get the dishwasher now. Just early, I would like to wait another year because as you see the shelf behind us, we had hard time to assemble it. Then I told my husband, okay, I would like to use the shelf at least a year and then we can purchase a dishwasher because the space for dishwasher is under this counter and the area for the door too small now because of the shelf. Then I think about get more dishes and then we have enough dishes to use while the dirty dishes are in the dishwasher. That was my plan for the next year. At first, I would like to get pottery dishes, handmade pottery. I used to do that when I came here the very first year, and then I didn't go to the studio for a long time. Now I decided, okay, I'm gonna purchase, but the cost is expensive, the handmade pottery. Then I just look on eBay and pick these because they sell for the whole 6 sets, 24 pieces for $31, free shipping. And I like to use plain color, bright color, white or gray like this. I purchased white set earlier. You can check on the unbox video if you would like to. And this time I would like to get something similar. And I like the design in the front of the dishes with the swirl line. This is the reason I decided to get them. And the pottery dishes I made. I move around what we have in the kitchen, small kitchen. I don't want to put the heavy items on the top cupboard, so I just store plastic and I put other on the bottom level on the shelf that I stack on new dishes in this shelf, and then I move the white dishes to the cupboard, and on the bottom a glass container. I thought this might be okay together, but I changed my mind because it is too high. I worry if they collapsed, then I put them in the bottom. I get rid of all plastic container. I think about it will be better to use less plastic container. Or I show you the pottery dishes. I made them and find the space to store them. ไว้ข้างล่างก็ได้ไม่ได้หยิบใช้บ่อยไว้ข้างล่างไว้ตรงนี้ดีกว่าตรงนี้เป็นชามที่ใช้ This is all the small dishes I put in here and the sugar pack over there I think about the bigger kitchens and store dishes on the shelf our kitchen is small then I just move around and put things in space I have I know where they are my husband need to take a time to find things when he need it he never call and ask me I make this too thank you for watching and listening bye ราคาแพงมาก